blockage in a dryer vent, and we're going to see if we can figure out what's going on. We're going to start right here to find out if it's at this location, or maybe it could be under the house where it goes through the floor. So we'll take this vent off and we'll try to see if it's in this portion of the pipe, and it's throwing a code on the dryer and it keeps shutting the dryer off. So we'll try to locate that, and we'll come back to you shortly and locate why it's putting the code off on the dryer vent, and so the lady can continue doing her laundry here. How we can may have to take that apart right here and see why this thing's probably got a impaction full of debris in it, and it's not passing through. It could be burned up on that. So let's this is supposed to come on when the dryer comes on, and then because it's such a long run from where the dryer vent is, it helps push the lint to the outside of the home. And so sometimes these things burn up and they don't turn on, and then you have a large amount of vent lint that can't pass through the vent process. They throw a code on the dryer. This is what typically happens, and you see a lot of hair build up and locks the fan down.
Wow, that's crazy.
This is what you don't want, but it's typical. I mean, you know, that's probably 1 year of stuff that will accumulate.
1 year.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
But hopefully, maybe we can save this motor. Maybe it didn't burn it up, because what happens, it sees it can't turn the propeller, and it'll lock it up, and it'll just sit there and hum, and then it can't pass through. Anything cannot pass. So what I need to do now is look down this pipe and see if I can see anything that may be obstruction, and then we'll turn it on with that. I see a little bit up there in the elbow, but I think we can turn the dryer on and maybe blow it out here, and save the dryer. And so there you go, another one saved, and thank God they didn't have to spend a lot of money on another motor. So thank you.